Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muzam Tiaz and I am here to conduct an interview with a young and successful entrepreneur with Samir Kareem. Good evening, sir. Samir Kareem. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Thank you for inviting me.
I'm honored to have you join for this meeting. Thank you so much for your time. And shall we start the interview?
Yes, you can start your interview.
So, please give us a little introduction about yourself. What inspired you to be a young entrepreneur?
So, recently I got a partnership with Team TCP, and I am the leading member of Team TCP, and we are the service. We provide service business. Basically, our business is based on subscriptions, and I am the financial analyst, and we provide facts and figures about the daily market condition and stock market, forex market, and crypto market. To all over the world, we have clients, and we provide them all type of information related to all type of market condition. So we provide subscription of our consultancy services. You can take many of the investor can take services privately, and they can do it on open. So they can do engagement with other investors too. Basically, we have a platform on Discord server. So we interact with each other, and clients can engage with each other and get all the basic information we provide on the Discord.
Okay, why you started this business?
Because basically I have a trading experience of 5 years. I started in 2018, so it is now 5 years. It is now approximately 5 years. So after 3 years in my private trading, I started this business. I want others to make money too, and obviously if I make others rich, ultimately I will get more money. So previously I do my own private trading, and then afterwards, after gaining experience, and after the joining team with different people around the world, so I started my business.
Okay, that's amazing. Can you please share your journey, your initial investment you have made, or your startup?
Okay, so initially I started with $2,000. I know I have $500 for my own, and my father gave me the another $1,000, and another 500 I take it from one of my best friend. And so I started with $2,000, and initially in trading journey. So basically, before the trading journey, I have a online product business. In product business, I literally make 20 to 20 to 25,000 rupees. It is not a big amount, but this is my first business. I initially started with zero investment. You don't need $2,000 or many lakhs for starting a business. Like I told you, I started with product business before the trading business. It don't require me any of the initial investment. I take product from the shopkeepers, and then I forward it towards the customers. So so I don't require any investment. I just kept my mark. So in trading journey, I started with 2000, as I told you, and gradually I doubled my capital in years, in first year.
Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you.
What challenges did you face in the early stage of your career or your journey?
Okay, so as far as my concerned, in my early stage of business, I face many difficulties, especially in the bear market, because in the first year of the trading, there's a bull market. I come in bull market, so I make good amount of money in 3 to 4 months, but I don't start my proper learning, because it is like I can do everything in trading. But I got lucky In trading, the luck it doesn't matter. So in trading, the intelligence and knowledge do matter. The luck, if you make money with your luck, the money will disappear in few months. So intelligence and knowledge matter in trading. So after a few months of bull market, the main difficult stage come in bear market. So I got lost my $2,000 in from my capital. In bull market, I have a capital of $4,000 to $5,000, but in bear market I lost the $2,000. So this is the worst condition I have ever had. Initially, I started because when I lost my $2,000, I am only 20 years old. But uh, but gradually, I keep motivating myself. I do hard work. I do learning, and I'm be consistent. So I cover my loss, and now I have a very big capital. So and now I'm doing business. If I leave my business in between the crisis, so I will never have back my capital, or nor I will get the position that I am now. So, however, we need hard work and be consistent. Luck cannot help you in every time.
Yeah, that's very true. So, what motivates you to keep going on for achieving your goals? And as you have mentioned that at the early age, you also felt motivated and grab together yourself and motivate yourself to keep going on and achieve your goals. So, what was the motivation behind it?
And there are many basic models for me, like many of the big investors from CNN, BCC, and FT newspaper, Financial Times newspaper. So there are many big investors. Those are my model, and I take inspiration, motivation from them. I started with learning book. The one of the most famous book I started with it, and the name is The Trading Bros. So I get motivation from that book. All my motivation, my mentorship, I get from that book. And after a few months, I started learning with different books. So I started follow big investor on Twitter. They provided with visual facts and figures. So I started following them, and gradually my knowledge get increased, and I can focus on making money too at the same time. Uh, so I get many knowledge, motivation from them. And sometimes you have to motivate yourself. No one can motivate you. At that time when I lost $2,000, if I don't motivate myself and don't be consistent, if I don't do hard work, so I will lost all my money and I never recover it. So as I
Yeah,
told you, you are your own best motivator. Okay, so no one
that's
can
very
motivate
true.
you. Exactly. Yes.
Yeah, that's very big inspiration. Okay, so as you are a very young entrepreneur, so for teenagers like me, if I have to, you are like a role model to me. If I see you, I want to be follow your pathway. Okay.
Okay.
So what kind of advice or guidance you give to young people who wants to be like you, who inspired by you, who wants to achieve so much in their early stage, or in their early age of 20s, like you have done.
Okay. So I will tell you one thing, Musa. You don't have to leave your education. Okay. Uh, when I started my trading, I'm doing my studying at the same time. Okay, so I recently got graduated. I don't leave my education at the same time. So for youngsters, trading is the best option, I will say, because trading is an online business, and you can do it from anywhere around the world. It's not you can do it in any country. Even there's no rules and regulation in Pakistan, so it is quite easy in Pakistan to do trading. If I told you about crypto, there's no rules and regulation. You don't have to pay tax in Pakistan for crypto trading, and so many things in Dubai. Many people do trading in Dubai too, because they are tax free in trading. So you can do trading anywhere. If I have to move somewhere with my business, I don't have to lost my whole business, because I can do it from anywhere. So I can say you trading is best for youngsters like you, and obviously you don't have to leave your education with it. So as I told you, I complete my graduation. I complete my bachelor previously. So you just have to be consistent and hard work. I will tell you to how to balance your life. Like if you are giving attention towards entertainment, like 7 to 8 hours per day, we don't realize, but we waste our much of the time of the day. If some youngster mm, spend their average time in social media. Like I read a research in which 2 hours per day youngster waste their time on social media, with 2 to 3 hours on Netflix, and 4 to 5 hours outside the home. So it is like 8 to 9 hours per day they are wasting their time in entertainment. How much entertainment you need? When you are in your young age, you are so healthy. Your mind is fresh. You can do everything. But gradually, in your when your age got increased, you cannot do that hard work. You can do in your young age. So I will say this is the best time for your hard work, and be consistent in your hard work.
I think this is also about, mindset and planning. Plan your goals and your, vision for it to achieve it, or for,
Yes.
the-
Yes, exactly. You are right.
so
Exactly, you are right. We have to make our goals, and for goals, we have to make plans. So we have to make our long-term goals and short-term plans to achieve that long-term target goal.
okay, that's true. What advice do you have for aspiring entrepreneurs? Also, if anybody wants to start their business, if a young or fresh entrepreneur wants to start their business, what initial investment they required? Please, answer these.
Okay, so as I told you previously, initially before the trading business, I don't require it. It doesn't require me any of the single penny. So Mirza, I started with a zero rupees, $0 in my first business, which is called Assist Traders. I provide products on my online website and in my Instagram, which I open in my age of 17. So I make monthly 20 to 25,000 rupees, which is quite good for the one who is in the age of 17. Okay. So and I don't have any single investment. I don't invest any single penny. I just make a connection, because many shopkeepers in Sadar don't know how to do online business. So I go and reach them, and I take orders from customers, and I make a connection with them. If you order shoes in my website, I will just go back to the shopkeeper, take the shoe, and deliver to you. Okay. So
Okay.
I am the middleman, and I don't have to I don't have to pay for any of the products. So this is the basic idea I created for my business, which required zero money.
Right. So at very young or early stage, you already started e-commerce, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So thank you so much for your time, and everything you have said and told us was very inspiring and motivating for teenagers like me, for someone who wants to be, earn money and be self, freedom of, working, or freedom of financial. So thank you so much for your time. I'm honored to have you for this interview.
It's my pleasure to have an interview with you, Muiza. Thank you so much for inviting me. And you have any question regarding this trading journey in the future, you can contact me. And if any of your colleague and friends need my help, I will inshallah provide them the help. So good luck, and so good luck for your future, for your future. And I will say, do your hard work and be consistent. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.